Hey there, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something both shocking and eye-opening to share with you. In this video on the dangers of reckless driving and negligence on the roads. In today's episode, we'll explore the real-life consequences of drivers who exhibit behaviors such as unalertness, recklessness, stupidity, and inattention, as well as those who engage in forceful lane changes and sudden appearances on the roads. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for more thrilling content. Now, let's buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. In this clip, we see a bustling intersection with cars and trucks navigating through traffic. A sedan is cruising along when suddenly, a massive truck appears from the blind spot. The truck driver, unaware of the car, begins to merge, almost colliding with the sedan. The sedan swerves frantically, narrowly avoiding the collision. Horns blare as the sedan driver gestures in frustration. In a quiet suburban area, a car crossing patiently at intersection. Suddenly, a two-wheeler speeds through the intersection without a care, failing to check for oncoming traffic. With a sickening crunch, the two-wheeler collides with the side of the car, sending bike spinning. In our next clip, at a bustling urban intersection, a line of cars waits for the light to change. Among them is a bike rider, seemingly lost in thought. Without noticing the green signal, the rider attempts to cross the intersection. A car, unable to stop in time, slams into the bike, sending the rider sprawling onto the pavement. In this scene, on a winding country road, a car speeds around a sharp curve, its driver pushing the limits. Suddenly, the driver loses control, veering into the oncoming lane. Another car, unable to avoid the collision, crashes head-on. The impact sends the second car flipping over, coming to rest on its side. Smoke billows from the wreckage. In next scene, on a highway, a car is turning off the road and a truck is driving right behind it. As they approach an intersection, the car suddenly turns and goes over the divider. It is clear that the driver of the car was negligent, which created a dangerous situation on the road. In the midst of city traffic, cars jostle for position on the crowded streets. Suddenly, a car in an adjacent lane aggressively swerves into our lane, sideswiping our car in the process. The startled driver of the impacted car honks angrily, but the damage is done. Our next clip shows, in a quiet residential area, a car navigates through the narrow streets. Suddenly, a bike rider appears out of nowhere, darting in front of the car. With no time to react, the car collides with the bike, sending the rider crashing to the ground. Amidst the hustle and bustle of a busy city road, a car idles at a halt. The driver, distracted by a phone call, fails to notice when the traffic moves on. Impatient, the driver accelerates without looking ahead, colliding with the car in front. The sound of crunching metal fills the air as shocked other car drivers witness the aftermath. Every day, millions of people take to the roads, navigating through traffic, rushing to their destinations. But amidst the chaos of our daily commutes lies a grim reality: road accidents caused by negligence, recklessness, and sheer stupidity. Negligence, the silent killer on our roads. Whether it's failing to signal a lane change or ignoring traffic signals, negligence can have devastating consequences. Unalert and inattentive drivers pose a significant threat to road safety. From checking messages to adjusting the radio, distractions can lead to disastrous outcomes. Reckless driving, a recipe for disaster. Ignoring speed limits, weaving in and out of traffic, reckless drivers put themselves and others at risk every time they hit the road. Forceful lane changes can lead to chaos on the roads. Whether it's cutting off another driver or refusing to yield, aggressive behavior behind the wheel can escalate quickly. Sudden appearances can catch drivers off guard. Pedestrians, cyclists, and even animals can unexpectedly enter the roadway, causing drivers to swerve or brake suddenly. Then there are the inattentive drivers, those who fail to pay attention to their surroundings. Whether it's running red lights or failing to yield, inattentive drivers put everyone at risk. Negligence on the road can lead to catastrophic consequences. Whether it's disregarding traffic signals or failing to yield the right of way, negligent drivers put themselves and others at risk. Distractions such as texting while driving are a leading cause of accidents on our roads. Remember, no text or call is worth risking lives. Unalert and inattentive drivers pose a significant threat to road safety. Failing to pay attention to pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles can have deadly consequences. Always remain vigilant and aware of your surroundings while driving. A moment of inattention can lead to a lifetime of regret. Reckless and stupid driving behaviors, such as excessive speeding and aggressive maneuvers, are a danger to everyone on the road. Remember, the thrill of the moment is never worth the risk. Drive responsibly and with respect for others. Forceful lane changes can create chaos on the roads, leading to collisions and pileups. Sudden appearances on the road, whether it's pedestrians, cyclists, or wildlife, require drivers to remain alert and ready to react. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the dangers of reckless driving. Remember, safety starts with each and every one of us. Drive responsibly, and together, we can make our roads safer for everyone. Remember, safety should always be our top priority on the road. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, drive safely, stay alert, and take care.